So in my last video, I was showing you the Mini 4 Pro. There's obviously a problem with the rocket. When the rocket finishes its mode and it's coming back in, for some reason the gimbal's just going up. Now I'll use the RC2 and the RCN2. RCN2 seem to be a little bit different, but the camera did go up in the end anyway. Anyway, it's nothing to do with the app. It's obviously to do with the firmware, and it does look like it was doing this even before the latest update. Now I'm still getting it. Some people said that theirs has been sold, but mine was still doing that. But the guy that asked that question, he also asked, and I mentioned that before with the update, there seems to be a problem with the Focus Track. So this is what this video is about. We're going to be checking out the Focus Track and seeing if it locks on to us humans. We get the drone off in the air. Everything's looking good on the screen. I can't see nothing else wrong. 26 satellites. Auto takeoff.
Home point updated.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is send the drone up. I'm going to send it past me. So I'm there. So if I hit Focus Track, okay, it's got me. And it's got the car. So that's good. So if I click on that, I'm going to do spotlight, but I'm going to put it into point of interest. Okay, and we're just going to speed up a bit. Now it's a little bit windy today. We've had a storm in Spain for a couple of days, and this is about the only day I've got I can get out and do any videos, because the next couple of days it's going to be pouring the rain. But anyway, that's looking good. I'm just going to walk about a bit. I'm going to walk over where the structures are. So as you saw, that was pretty good, that, because I went into that structure there. It did lose me, but it soon picked me up again. I'm just going to do it again. I'm going to bring the drone. I'm at a... Oh, okay, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to change the measurement, because I'm a feet and inches man myself. And I'm not very good with this metric stuff. So anyway, we're all there. So we're at about 40 foot, which, you know, it's not too high, but not too low. I'm going to bring it up. I'm just going to stop that a mo. I'm just going to bring it up to, say, 50 foot. 60 foot now. It's still got me, which is good. I'm going to active track. Point of interest. We're going to go the other way this time. Okay. It's still on me. Go through this bit here. It's still on me. It's still on me. That's not bad for 65 feet. Okay, I'm out the other end now. And the drone's, he's got me lost obviously in there, and I'm hoping it'll pick me up in a mo. There I am. Now, is he going to pick me up? And he's still got me in that cage. I'm just going to move the gimbal up a little bit. Right, I'm just going to see. Okay, so he hasn't got me this time. 60 foot. I'm still got on there. Now the other day when I'd done this, it kept losing me, but on this one it seems to be really good. Okay, we're gonna send it up just a little bit more. We're gonna send it up to 80 foot. All right, just over 80 foot there. It's sort of got me, and it hasn't, if you get what I mean. I'm just clicking on it, it's not right. Okay, so I'll bring that down, bring it down to, it seemed 60 foot was pretty good. Okay, the wind didn't help. I mean, definitely on the wind there. Okay, so we'll do point of interest again. Okay, so that's pretty good. I'm just walking back to that structure again. It's still got me. Still got me. I think that's, you know, you can't, I don't think you can complain about this, you know. Okay, I think it's just lost me there. Put on again. Okay, so we're 172 feet away. We'll bring the drone in. Yeah, it's picked me up now. Let's just click on that. We do active track. Okay, the drones come in. We go auto. Okay. I'm just going to walk near the car. Obviously got the shadow there. Still got me.
Battery level is low.
Okay, so the
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
I think that's a good time for us to have a summary. I think on my update video I said there was a problem with the focus track. Now maybe that was because the drone was a little bit too far away. Obviously you could see there with the height, 60 foot, it's all right. 100 foot, obviously nothing, and obviously a distance had a problem with. But to be quite honest, guys, that active track is amazing. I mean, I went through that structure and you can see all those shadows. I think the first time I'd done it, it lost me inside, but as soon as I walked out the other side of it, it picked me up straight away. The second time, but you can't fault that. I mean, it's an amazing bit of technology, this drone. Guys, if you're thinking about getting a drone for Christmas, get the Mini 4 Pro. It's a lovely drone. I mean, it's over a year old now, but it's still well worth buying. It does everything you need. I mean, it's pretty windy today, and that drone really held well. So, as always, there's going to be another video coming, Ray, soon.